that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to pretend.
Armed. Armed. Armed.
Your season of occupation. I'm sending applications. Get to know the short-term friends you only talk to till summer ends. Best way to spend a day in it when you're only making $10 every 60 minutes. Let's clock out, you and me, wander around West County. Take my hand, shop and see. Only get paid hourly. We can carpool, I can drive. Listening to Jackson 5. We can make it, we'll survive. Though we might be tough to ride.
Hey guys, it's Kin. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you were watching. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, as you can see from the title, it's going to be a self-care day. So ayun, today is July 13, 2023. For this vlog, I'm going to take you guys with me today and ipapakita ko din kung paano ako mag-journal and planner and also mag-workout. Kakatapos ko lang mag-workout and also mag self-care night and also mag-me time. So ayun, I'm going to take you guys with me. And also, sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood ng vlog ko, i-insert ko dito yung picture nung self-care essentials haul ko or Watson haul. So kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, panoorin nyo na. So without further ado, let's hop onto the video. So, ayan guys, every time na nag-workout ako, dito ako sa TV, pero nakamute siya. And also, meron akong radio, kung saan nakakonect yung first cellphone ko. Diyan ako nagpapatugtog habang sinusundan yung workout sa TV. And dito naman, meron akong aqua flask. May aqua flask. Punong-puno yan ng water. Kailangan ko siya maubos. And meron ako nitong mat na purple. So, ayun guys, I'm going to start working out na.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team?
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the
Hey guys! So it's currently 12 a.m. in the morning, I can say. So kakatapos ko lang maligo. And as in, wala akong makeup. And for my outfit, I'm wearing this one. And ayan, may tuwalya pa yung ulo ko. And ayun. So, I'm going to share my shower routine to you guys. So, ang first step na ginagawa ko kanina nung naligo ako is first, hinuhugasan ko yung kamay ko bago ako maligo. So, ang gamit ko lang naman is Safeguard. And then, ang second step na ginagawa ko is naglalagay ako ng abone sa katawan ko. Mag-insert ako dito ng picture. So, naglalagay ako ng abone sa katawan ko pagbasa na. And then, yung third step na ginagawa ko is naglalagay ako sa face ko ng Safeguard Detox. So, insert ko dito yung picture. That's my soap since before. And for the fourth step na ginagawa ko is naglalagay ako ng shampoo. So, yun. Kahit anong, hindi na pala ako maglalagay ng picture. Kahit anong shampoo naman pwede. And for the fourth step, fifth step na is maglalagay naman ako ng Kojic sa face ko. And then, ang sixth step na ginagawa ko is naglalagay ako ng conditioner sa hair ko. And yung pang 7 na ginagawa ko is naglalagay ako ng Safeguard sa aking underarms. And then, for the 8 is, ano nga ba? For the 8 na ginagawa ko is, nagsasabon ako ng whole na katawan ko gamit yung Kojic. Tapos, meron akong gamit na gloves pang kuskus ng katawan. And for the 9th is nagtutoothbrush. And after ko mag-toothbrush, doon ako magbabanlaw ng aking buong face, ng katawan, ng hair, buong body. And then after nun, tsaka ako magsasabon ng aking, you guys know, private part gamit ang pH Care or, what do you call that? Safeguard. So, ayun, that's my shower routine. Hindi ko na syempre sa inyo na ipakita. But yun yung ginawa ko. And this is my first time, I think. Ay, hindi ito yung first time. Pero, yun, this is my bare face. My bare face without any chemicals and without any filter. So, ayun, ngayon naman is mag-i-skincare tayo and maglalagay ng lotion, magsusuklay, and everything. So, I'm going to take you guys. So, ayun guys. Wait lang, lalagay ko kayo dito. So, ayun. Wait lang. So, ayun guys. For my skincare, mamaya ko na sa inyo ipapakita yung skincare ko kasi magjo-journal and planner pa ako after nito. And after ko mag-journal and planner, maglalagay ako ng face mask sa skin ko. And then after ko mag-face mask, tsaka ako maglalagay nung skincare ko, which is the Olay and the powder, etc. etc. So, sa ngayon, ang gagawin ko muna is maglalagay muna ako ng lotion. So, dito guys, meron ako dito. Binili ko to, neto lang. So, this is my self-care basket. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung laman yan in the future, but not now. So, wait, I'm going to get it. So, ngayon, maglo-lotion tayo. And for my lotion, this is what I'm going to use. This is a Victoria's Secret Romantic. So, this is a lotion. And this is my first time na gagamitin ko to. So, ayun. Galing to sa ibang bansa. First time ko nga siyang gagamitin ngayon. So, ayun. And then, ang gagawin ko muna is mag-aayos ako ng hair. Kasi nga, ang insecurity ko is nakalugay. So, yun. Mag-aayos ako ng hair. And then, after ko mag-ayos ng hair, ano pa ba ilalagay ko? Okay. So, magpapabango tayo. Where's that pabango? So, yun. Partner sila. So, yun. Maglalagay tayo niyan. And then, yun lang muna sa ngayon. Kasi magtitimpla ako ng matcha later and mag-journal tayo and planner. Tapos tsaka tayo mag-move on sa skincare. So, let's go. Ito time-lapse ko muna. Hey guys! So, ayun. Tapos na akong mag-lotion. And now, itatali ko yung hair ko. And ita-time-lapse ko na lang ulit. So, yeah. Hey guys! So, ayun, tapos na akong mag-lotion nga. And tapos na akong mag-ayos ng hair ko ngayon na. And I'm currently listening to... Wait lang. I'm currently listening to Baby by DJ Roots. And the pogi na guy. Anong name niya? I don't know. Basta something Jin Young. I don't know. So, ayan. I'm much confident talaga sa ganitong hairstyle. As in. So, ayan. And now, maglalagay tayo ng pabango. Wait lang. Konting ayos lang. Wait. So, kung ang ginamit nating lotion is ito. For my perfume naman tonight is ito. So, ayan. Mag-spray tayo para medyo masakit na lamunan ko. Di ko alam kung bakit. Wala naman akong kinain. Matamis. So, sa leeg. Ang bango. And sa damit, sa hair, sa damit ulit, and dito. Kasi parang sobrang bango. Ang bango sobrang. Hey guys! So ayun, nandito ako sa baba. Bumaba ako dahil nga mag-journal ako and magpa-planner for tonight. So it's currently 1:15 AM and ang goal ko by 2 AM tapos na akong mag-journal and planner. But before ako mag-journal and planner, I'm going to make myself a matcha. And disclaimer guys, this is my first time nagagawa ng matcha. As in, ng matcha for myself. So ayun, nag-aral ako sa TikTok kung paano. So papakita ko sa inyo. So meron akong, ba't ang layo? Meron akong binili. This one is from Shopee. Pinakita ko na to sa isang vlog ko. And this is the matcha. This one is from Shopee din. And we have here the sugar and the milk na pinabili ko kay mom kanina and hot water. So yun, samahan nyo akong gumawa ng matcha at tignan natin kung magiging success ba to or failed. Yun. So by the way, naglagay ako ng lip tint para hindi ako pale. So ayan, parang naging cooking show siya. Oh my god. So, gagawa tayo ng... Wait lang, saan ko ba kayo maganda ilagay? Yung mas kita. Okay. I guess dyan. So, we're going to make a matcha. So, first is... Ano mga unahin dun? I guess... Ito muna. So, yan. Buksan na natin. Dito ko muna siya gagawin, guys. Sana hindi siya maging failed. Kasi may mga napanood ako sa TikTok naglasang damo daw. By the way guys, I love matcha ha. Pero yun nga, paano ba ito buksan? First time ko ito gagawin. Tamo pagbukas pa lang, parang siraan na. Paano ba ito? Dito ata. Wait. What's the freak? Wala, ano to? Paano to? Oh, teka, may lumalabas ng powder. Ayun! Nakita ko na. Ah! Okay ng ina. This is the moment she knew. She fucked up. Oh my god. Siya nga. Hindi ko kasalanan. Okay. Okay. Ina tumangapon. So, ayun. Okay, hayaan mo na. Everybody makes mistake. Upo ako para mas kita nyo ako. It was the moment she knew she fucked up. So, ang bango. Oh my god.
I got enough of every melody. They all sound the same. Yeah.
Hey guys, so it's currently 1:37 AM and I'm about to have my journal and planner for my mental health. And manonood din ako ng one video ni Wizard Liz and I re-review yung mga notes ko about kay Wizard Liz nung nakaraan. So ayun, I'm just going to take you guys with me. So ayun guys, sa vlog na to, tapos na akong mag-workout kanina, tapos na rin akong maligo, and tapos na akong mag-journal and planner, and tapos na rin ako gumawa ng matcha ko. So for now, magmamask na ako ng face. So ayun. Okay, so ayun, maglalagay na ako ng face mask. Wait. So for my face mask, this is my face mask from Real Nature, Blueberry. So, ayan, ilalagay na natin siya sa ating face. Sa totoo lang, inaantok na ako sobra. Pero, tatapusin ko tong vlog. Meron din ako na itong rollers. Alam nyo ba guys, ngayon na lang ulit ako maglalagay ng face mask. So, ayan, ngayon na lang talaga ako maglalagay nito. Hey guys, so ayun, I'm about to watch na and ang papanoorin ko is The Idol and ipapakita ko siya sa inyo. So ayun guys, dapat uumpisahan ko to from episode 1, like uulitin ko. Kaso parang tinatamad na ako, so I think it's a waste of time. So nag-jump na ako sa episode 4 since episode 4 naman na talaga ako and tatapusin ko siya tonight. And wait. And I have here my cheesy. Actually, busog pa ako, pero inakyat ko lang siya just in case na gusto kong kumain. And as always, my all-time favorite, Nestea. Para mag-focus. Yan. So, meron akong cheesy and meron akong Nestea. And right there, meron pa akong isang cheesy na maanghang. Natira ko kagabi. And meron akong here, matcha. So, yeah, I'm going to watch The Idol episode 4.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Get away, chase beach views,